Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, and every single day I do the Crypto Live Show, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., Monday through Friday, and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Thank you so much for jumping on in. I appreciate for having you here. And today, I'm going to give you the news in a 3 to 5 minute segment. We're going to break it down. We're going to talk about if big companies, basically like something like Blockbuster, which is gone now, but Radio Shack, one of those older legacy companies is making a big move into blockchain. I love seeing that. Recently, we saw something new coming out. We're getting into Ferrari, right? Was doing something with NFTs. So very interesting. And I'm excited to see how things are going. Also, we had last week, we had a motorcycle, one of the famous motorcycles, Ducati, also doing something with NFTs, which I found very interesting. So asset tokenization in Europe gets a boost with securitized landmark tokenized equity issuance. Say that 10 times fast. Securitized landmark tokenized equity issuance. The firm started issuing tokens represented equity in a Spanish real estate investment trust under Spanish new digital asset supervision. Asset tokenization firm Securitize has issued the first tokenized equities under the European Union's pilot regime for digital assets, the company announced on Thursday. The token issued via the smart contract network Avalanche represent equity in Spanish real estate. This is going to start happening more and more. You can even see it's connected to the Bank of America. The current financial infrastructure and credit are a more efficient system, Bank of America said. Tokenization can disrupt the current financial infrastructure. Of course, so much easier to tokenize something than have to go through all the red tape and all the other stuff. And it's faster, easier. People can get it quick. You can pay them back. Investors can get their dividends. It's just a better way to do business. We talked about tokenization yesterday with my man, Mark Fiddleman. That dude was amazing. I would watch that interview that we put out on my channel. It came out last night. That is an evergreen interview. You want to keep watching information like that. So AVAX may get a push from there, right? That's that's big news for Avalanche. That's big news for the crypto space. White House derailed negotiation on U.S. House stablecoin bill. A bipartisan agreement on stablecoin legislation was in reach, according to the chair, House of Financial Services Committee. But the ranking Democrat said McHenry halted talks. House lawmakers have failed to reach a bipartisan deal on stablecoins legislation, with Financial Service Committee Chair Patrick McHenry blaming White House intransigence for the stalemate, while the panel's top Democrat said it was McHenry who shut down the talks. The news come a day after the financial-focused lawmakers advanced 3 bills on crypto issues to a vote in the full House of Representatives. The first time they advanced laws fully dedicated to the topic. And we were supposed to get some clarity, finally. Today, I hope to announce an agreement with the ranking member on stablecoins legislation, McHenry said, referring to the committee's senior Democrat, Maxine Waters. This will not be the case. It was the White House's unwillingness to compromise that has once again brought that negotiation to a halt. McHenry said he was disappointed, but did not explain the details of the disagreement with the executive branch. Any U.S. stablecoin bill would also have to win support in the Democrat-led Senate. So a bill coming solely from the House Republicans rather than bipartisan effort may be less likely to influence the other chamber. We still can't get clarity. They're going to argue. We need people to represent us, to help us, and to move cryptocurrency forward. We're going to get there. It's going to take time. It just is what it is. If you look at history, this has happened throughout history every time. So, Swisstronic Testnet 1.0 ushering in a new era of compliant blockchain transactions. Swisstronic, an innovative layer 1 network known for enabling the development of scalable, decentralized applications that uphold user privacy and regulatory compliance, has made significant strides by launching its inaugural testnet. The Swisstronic Testnet 1.0 is designed to equip dApp developers with unprecedented transaction security and robust encryption. That's what they all say. You know what I mean? Powered by advanced Intel SGX technology. Swisstronic's mission is to accelerate the practical adoption of blockchain technology by providing a robust, secure, and user-friendly network. By integrating both hardware and software solutions, the network successfully addresses key challenges associated with legal compliance, data privacy, and interoperability. It's a known tech company. Now they're moving into blockchain. We like that. Swisstronic can't be bad. I'm always weary of the more centralized connections there and where they're going. I keep a wide eye open there, but we'll see. And that, my friends, is the news.